In this world, people has an own standards. Maybe sometimes we can't reach their expectations. We failed as a man, as a people, but as God says, may own standard ang Lord sa atin at doon dapat tayo mas mag-focus. We can't satisfy people, but God can. Don't settle for less. Don't set a limitations and standards sa sarili mo or sa ibang tao. We might disappoint ourselves kapag sa physical natin tayo nakabase o nakatingin. Minsan kasi, feeling natin hindi na natin kaya yung sitwasyon. Because there are too much pressure around us. Our families, our friends, our neighbors. That's why do not let your feelings or emotion can control your situations. Sometimes in our life, darating talaga sa point that we failed as a person. But don't look yourself as a failure. Because God says that you're not. You are strongest and bravest person that God made. Palagi lang tayong humingi ng strength and wisdom sa Lord. Lalo na kapag gagawin natin ito para sa Kanya, because God will give it to you freely. It's really important na may guidance tayo sa Lord so that His will be done to us. So as today, God says that look in your heart and declare to yourself that you can do it, that I can do it. Always remember that you are limitless and be fearless. Sinabi nga ng Lord sa kanyang salita sa 1 Samuel chapter 16 verse 7, God does not look at the outside appearance but at the heart. God has a standards the way He look on us, which is He's looking into our hearts. We must don't look ourselves as an outside appearance, just like God did. May mga bagay man tayo na hindi natin kaya physically, but God look our hearts. He said that no, you will. You can do it. Huwag tayong mag-set ng limitations sa sarili natin. Huwag tayong tumingin sa standard ng tao dahil may sariling standard sa atin ng Lord the way He looked to us.